you know.
All right, let's talk about the weather. Another fog advisory went into effect this morning.
That's right. Some dense fog really settled over the area, and it's being slowly lifting across the region right now. The advisory no longer in effect in just places like San Marcos looking at that. Wanted to start out, though, with a picture from last night. This is a gorgeous sunset taken over Lake Travis. Brenda, thanks so much for sending it in. You can always send us your weather pictures to report it at KXAN.com. Apparently, the sunset yesterday was just so pretty with some of those clouds stretched over central Texas. We actually had about 10 or 11 pictures sent right in here to the Weather Center, so we'd love to see yours if you have one. Let's take a look out at Lake Travis right now. A little gray out there. Some low clouds, a little fog still hanging on. Temperature-wise, though, pretty mild. We're right now 70 in Lakeway. Same with Georgetown and right here in Austin, 68 degrees in the Bastrop area. Everybody warming up nicely this morning. Current temperature here in town, cloudy skies, 70 degrees in Austin. Light winds for the time being. Throughout the afternoon, that southerly flow is going to kick up a little bit. It'll help our temperatures, but winds will be anywhere from 10 to 15 miles an hour. Quick look at your pollen count. Some of that wind could blow around our tree pollens. Not good news there. Mold and oak both up from yesterday. Elm and cedar staying in that low category. Hopefully not much worse this afternoon when we get that latest pollen count in. Satellite radar shows some low cloud cover still stretched across central Texas. A little breaking up now over Llano County, Burnett County, and that'll be the trend for the rest of your afternoon. So more sunshine is expected, especially by this evening. We're tracking some changes that are going to move into our area tomorrow. An area of low pressure, upper levels of the atmosphere out over the western U.S. going to swing into the Midwest and push a cold front through central Texas tomorrow. As we track that front, it's going to move into North Texas by Friday morning. A few showers, maybe a thunderstorm possible along it as it moves through midday here in the Austin area. And by 6 p.m., it's going to be sitting just to our east. Behind that front, some cooler, drier air will move in. So our weekend is going to be beautiful sunshine-wise and just a touch cooler. Temperatures staying in the 60s and 70s instead of close to 80 like what we're expecting this afternoon. Hour by hour through our forecast, 6 p.m. tonight, partly clear skies, warm. Temperatures right near 80 degrees overnight tonight. Again, the cloud cover increasing, very mild temperatures, a little fog, can't rule out tomorrow morning. By 6 p.m., that front's going to be just to the east, and there's the possibility of a few showers popping up along that front. They're not going to be very widespread, but the scary news with the system is through the Midwest, portions like Kentucky, Tennessee could get hit again tomorrow with some very strong storms. We're not going to see that here, but we're going to be watching the Midwest very closely tomorrow afternoon. All right, behind that front, like I mentioned, drier air moving in. Well, we have a fire weather watch now. Starting on Friday evening, goes until Saturday afternoon for the hill country. Winds will be a bit breezy, dry air in place. Fires that start could be hard to contain, so just something to think about tomorrow. Today, though, 80 degrees here in town. Tonight, down to 63. Tomorrow, we'll be right around 84 degrees. Another very warm day before that front moves in. And your 7-day forecast looks like this. Saturday, Sunday, much cooler. 66 the high on Saturday, 70s by Sunday, and another chance for rain middle of next week.